Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to talk about two-digit counting numbers. And I want you to think about, let's say, a number like 23. If we write the expanded form of that number, it's 2 times 10 plus 3, correct? So then it's the 10 times whatever the tens digit is plus the units digit. We're going to refer to that as the original number. You'll see these problems come up in ACT and SAT and PSAT questions all the time. It'll say something like the value of the value of a number is 2 times the value of the number if the digits are reversed. Okay, that kind of a thing. And it'll say something about the tens digit, something about the units digit. Well, the tens digit is t, okay? T equals tens digit, and U equals the units digit. Sometimes we think of it as the ones digit, okay? Units digit or ones digit. If I reverse these numbers and I make it now 32, well, here's my original, remember? The number with the digits reversed, now I'm going to multiply 10 times the units digit, and I'm going to add the tens digit. Okay, so 10 times this one plus this one gives us the number with the digits reversed. These two things right here you need to memorize. If you're having a hard time conceptualizing it, then memorize those formulas. The original number is 10t plus u, and the number with the digits reversed is 10u plus t. So now if you look on page 440, it says the sum of the digits. It doesn't have anything to do with the value of the number. It's strictly the digits. These are the digits right here. So when it says the sum of the digits, it's just t plus u. So the sum is 11. If the digits are reversed, okay, so here's my reverse number. The digits are reversed. The new number is means equals, 27 greater than, so remember at the end we add a 27. The original number, well, here's the original number, okay? 10t plus u. Come on. Okay, so now we've got two equations, two variables, not a problem to solve them. Of course, we need to simplify this one. So if I subtract u from both sides and I subtract 10t from both sides, I will get 9u minus 9t equals 27. Now what can we do to that equation? Everything can be divided by 9, correct? So divide everything by 9. So that gives us u minus t equals 3. Well, I can take this equation right down here and write it as u plus t equals 11. Now if we add those together, the t's will cancel. So we'll get 2u equals 14. We divide both sides by 2. So u equals 7. And then we can go up to the other original equation that said the sum of the digits was 11. And we can plug in u is 7. So t plus 7 equals 11. Subtract 7, so t is equal to 4. Well, that's nice. But now you have to read the problem and see what it's asking for. It says, what was the original number? Okay, go back and look. The original number is 10 times t plus u. Okay, so 10 times t would be 40 plus 7, so the original number was 47. It's always If it's asking for the original number, just remember it's TU. Okay, if it's asking for the original, once you get these, it's just UT if it's wanting the reverse. This one was asking for the original number, so we're done at 47. All right, let's try another one. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit counting number was 9. So T plus U equals 9. When the digits were reversed, so that's 10U plus T, the new number was, it's the same as equals, 45 less than, so we put minus 45 on the end, less than the original number. So the original number is 10T plus U. These problems are all going to look very similar. Most of the time you're going to have one equation that deals with just the digits, and then you'll have one equation that deals with the value of the number somehow. All right, so here I will subtract 10T from both sides, subtract U, so I have 9U minus 9T equals negative 45. Don't drop that minus right here. So here again we can divide everything by 9. So U minus T is equal to negative 5. Bring this down here. U plus T is equal to 9. Add those two together. 2U is equal to 4. Divide by 2. U is equal to 2. And then back up here at the top, T plus 2 is equal to 9. So T must be equal to 7. Alright, so the only thing that's left is for us to write whichever number they want. And again, it says what was the original number. Don't assume that that's what it's going to ask for, because sometimes it'll ask for what was the number with the digits reversed, in which case it would be opposite of what you would normally write. This one, what's the original number? So the tens digit goes first, and then the units digit. So the number